Alright, welcome back everyone. So I've got another throwdown, but it's also a blend of off-the-shelf available, affordable Scotch single malts that you can mix together to, I'm going to say, meet or beat. This is the Sassenach blended Scotch Whisky. It's 92 proof, also non-chill filtered, no coloring added. I know it's not just a single malt, it just says it is a blended Scotch whiskey, so probably some grain whiskey in there. But I believe it's like what blend of 9 to 20-year-old Scotch whiskey, and it's tasty. It is. I enjoy this bottle. I know it's, I think I said, a celebrity whiskey. The guy on Outlander owns it, but it's $120. So I think you could, depending if you buy these bottles in Oregon or if you purchase them online, you could probably almost buy all three of these for the price of this. So now these are both about 92 proof. This is 100 proof. So the blend I've got in one of these glasses is the Sassenach. The other blend is 1 part Bruichladdich, the classic Laddie, 1 part Deanston 12-year, and the other one is 1 part Bruichladdich, the classic Laddie, and 1 part Craigellachie 13-year, just the regular 13-year. So we're going to see how this goes. I'm just going to start up here at A. I expect these to be pretty darn close. Yeah, it just smells like a sweet orchard fruit scotch. Same, but like more oily, and this a little more crisp, I guess I would say. So I'm going to start up here at B. I'm sorry, A. Yeah, there. It's just, it's bright, almost with a little citrus zest, some orchard fruit, sweet honey. Obviously, there's maltiness there. Tastes like a pleasant single malt scotch is what it tastes like. That's got some wine cask influence to it. Let's go to B. This one feels a little more malty, a little darker. I'm going to guess a little more wine cask influence on that one. Like that. Those sherry raisiny notes. I did get those on A, but they seem a little more pronounced in C, or in B, sorry. This is C. I'm going with C. Like a honey sweetness. Man, that's very nice and sweet and light. As always, a little tougher than I thought. I'm going to pause and be right back. Okay, I do have my ranking. I'm going to say that these are so similar. They really are. My last place was C because it felt the lightest of all of them. It felt like it had the least amount happening on the finish, and it honestly tasted like it drank lower proof than both of these ones, and the finish just did not carry through and stick with me as much. Like there was less maltiness. They're all very close though. Like I'm picking at hairs here, trying to rank these things. That's how close these are to this. So what was C? Oh wow, C was the Sassenach. Wow, I really did not think that was going to come in last place. I honestly thought this was going to win. Man. So I said it drank a little under proof compared to these ones, meaning like the flavor just wasn't as punchy. This one's 92 proof, and then the blend, what is 100 proof and 92 proof would be, what, 96 proof? I think the Deanston's a little over, what is it? Yeah, 92.6. But anyways, so 96 proof against a 92 proofer, but this felt the softest and the lightest. Second place is going to be B because it did not have A. It just felt like brighter and more crisp, like biting into like a nice crisp sweet apple, and the finish was better, more maltiness on the finish. Both very good though. So second place was, oh wow, okay, it was the blend that had the, no, not Deanston, Craigellachie 13 year. So the winner, nice man, the blend of Deanston 12 year and Bruichladdich, the Classic Laddie. I tell you, like, sometimes I'll just sit here at my whiskey wall and I'll just kind of sip through my scotches that I got up at the top there, and for some reason, the Classic Laddie, the Deanston, and the Craigellachie always make me think of the Sassenach, and I do enjoy the Sassenach. It's a tasty, tasty whiskey, but I think what helps both of these get just elevated and beat this is the addition of the Bruichladdich Classic Laddie. It's, I don't know what it is in Oregon now. I'm guessing it's probably a $60 bottle in Oregon now, but I think online I can still get this for like on sale, sometimes $40 a bottle. Crazy, crazy good deal for this bottle. I mean, this is the old bottle, but so there you go. Try this out. Like, if you're into Scotch, I'm guessing most of you are probably into bourbon, but if you are into Scotch, if you've got this, try the blend of these. 1 part of Bruichladdich Classic Laddie to 1 part of Deanston, 1 part of Bruichladdich Classic Laddie to 1 part of the Craigellachie. And you can I feel like this, you can add some of this to any of your other single malts that you typically like to drink, and it's going to amplify them. It's going to really just elevate the experience, because the proof and the flavor of the wine casks that are in this Scotch. So plus Bruichladdich, they're a killer distillery. Okay, till next time.